You know, it's super boring to say you're in the mortgage business because at the end of the day, what business are we really in? Here's the business that you're in that's a little bit more exciting. You're in the problem solving business. You have access to money. You sell money. You're in the problem solving business and you help people that for whatever reason can't go out and buy a house cash. You bridge the gap between the cash that they have and the house that they want. So you're a problem solver with access to money in the housing market. So from there, move to your clients. Your clients don't need a pre-approval. What your clients need is help with the down payment. They need a buy before you sell option. They need a debt consolidation option. They're drowning in bills. So they have a problem. You have access to capital. Now, what solutions do you have for them? The more solutions you can solve, the greater the likelihood is that you'll be able to sell some of that money. Think about your real estate partners. Here's what they don't need. They don't need somebody that can issue them a pre-approval. There are 50,000 people that can do that very easily. You can do it online, piece of cake. But what they do need is somebody to help them with all those old leads that they bought that for whatever reason they're not marketing to. They're sitting out there stagnant. They need somebody that can help them convert that. They do open houses every single weekend, yet those names and the people that show up never turn into a lead, never turn into a prospect, never turn into anything. They need help with that. There's a lot of problems out there that need solving. The mortgage piece of it is not one. We are problem solvers with access to money to buy a house. Get that into your head. Start looking at everything through that framework and you'll do more business. And then ask yourself, somebody that's 8 years old that's looking at buying a house in 40 years, do you have a mechanism inside of your business to solve their problem? Maybe not. But if there's somebody that's 18 months out and they're thinking about buying a house in the next 2 years, you probably should have something inside of your arsenal today to go in and solve their problem, because they're going to have 20 problems between where they are and where they need to get to be in order to become your client. The more problems you can solve for more people, the more money you will make. That's it. You're a problem solver with access to capital to help people buy houses.